welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I have the fun task of drawing a winner for our fun 13 days of Halloween challenge. We had a great series, and I am so overwhelmed by the outpouring of positive support and kind feedback and love from you guys. So many likes and new subs, and it's just really such a blessing to me to know that our little community is together and being creative and enjoying the holidays. So I was going to create a random number generator, but I think it's just easier to pull the name from this little bin here. Now, I do quickly want to remind everyone of the rules, which was that you do need to be a subscriber to Polly's Paper Studio. You do need to comment on all of the videos in this series, and you do need to be a resident of the continental United States to be eligible to win. So with all that being said, I will share this prize really quickly. That is the shaker Halloween decor that we created with the Echo Park pattern paper collection. And I've written everyone's name down here. There were 45 entries, which is pretty awesome, I must say. And I folded them all up in a super tiny piece of paper so that I could get them mixed very thoroughly here. Last year I got Tech Hubby to do the drawing, but he is out and about, so I will do it myself this time. All right, so let's pick this one. And the winner is Bobby Silva. Can you see that? I wrote really small, and I don't write very legibly. But anyway, congratulations, Bobby. You can reach out to me in a private message on the Polly's Paper Studio Facebook group, and you can let me know your contact information and mailing address so I can get this shipped off for you to enjoy for the holiday. Once again, I want to thank everyone who participated in our 13 days of Halloween series and who also joined in the fun of this giveaway. So if you enjoy this type of video, make sure that you leave me a comment and hit the like button. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.